Hello and welcome to my video. Today we're going to ride exclusively around Summerland Key. We're going to hit the whole island and we have to cross the street twice, so hopefully the traffic won't be too bad. You just never know. It's like a crapshoot. You never know. Crystal's leading the way with their truck bike, and I gotta get a picture and then I'm out of here. There we go. Okay, Crystal, lead on. Howdy. Okay, we're going up Caribbean Drive east. We're actually heading north. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. That's our signal. 3 dings means the car's arriving. There's another signal. We're going to go counterclockwise around Summerland. Kind of like a low pressure system, circles counterclockwise.
She was waiting there, so I didn't realize it was Donna.
I didn't know who it was.
Yeah, Donna.
The Pez dispenser?
Yep.
Okay. That's one of our neighbor realtors. There's no lack of realtors down here. That's one thing you'll find out in a hurry. No, that was an old Harley. Not quite a rat rod, but I'm filming in 4K wide today, so that's gonna be a new experience for me. I should break it up into segments. So the next segment of our journey is going to be on the overseas highway, US 1. Can definitely be a little bit congested. But it's a nice bike path. Caribbean corner is marked by Slice of Paradise Pizza. You got to keep your head on a swivel around here. Because you got people coming out of driveways. You got airplanes taking off. Post office. And hardware store. And liquor store. Gas station. And one of the best places to eat around for breakfast and lunch, right here, the Galley Grill. It's kind of hid back in there, but that is an awesome place to eat. So here comes our next turn. At mile 25, we're turning on West Shore Drive. Now there was an airplane down here making noise. It was a nice big twin. I don't know if we're gonna get there quick enough to see him take off, but I'm hoping so. So we're on West Shore Drive heading south. I don't hear the airplane.
Is that big blue and white one?
Yeah, it's a big twin. He was making some noise like he was doing his run up. I'm gonna turn right at the airport.
I can still hear something.
You can hear him?
I don't know what it is. I hear something.
Well, he might have him back to idle. This is called Airport Drive North. And he's still up there staging, so this is gonna be cool. Come on, dude, fire that thing off. Oh, why is he turning around? He must not be going. No, maybe he is going. Oh, he's going. Oh, yeah. There goes the twin. Oh, he's spooling him up. Ah, he let off the brakes. There he goes. And he's off. Too cool. Okay, I gotta finish my tour. Oh. Wonder if he's coming back. Helicopter landing zone. Yep. Howdy. He might be coming back. No, I see him. He's taking off. He climbed out. Heading towards the mainland. Well, that was cool anyway. Now we'll go up Airport Drive south.